When it comes to making a positive first impression, your home's curb appeal is paramount. It's the first thing people see, whether they're driving by or visiting. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your home's exterior is replacing an old, worn-out door with a stylish, modern one. In a place like Manassas, where homeowners take pride in their properties, a door replacement can do wonders to elevate the overall aesthetic of your home and even increase its value. Let's explore why this simple yet effective upgrade is a game-changer for boosting curb appeal. Why your front door matters. Your front door is not only a functional entry point but also one of the first things guests, neighbors, and potential buyers notice about your home. A dated or damaged door can send the wrong message, making your home appear neglected or outdated. On the other hand, a sleek, modern door adds charm, character, and an instant sense of welcoming. It sets the tone for the rest of your home and can dramatically improve its exterior appeal. In Manassas, with its mix of traditional and contemporary architecture, the right front door can complement your home's style while enhancing its visual appeal. Whether your home is a charming colonial, a mid-century modern, or a sleek new build, the front door is an opportunity to showcase your personal style. The benefits of a door replacement: increased home value. Replacing an old door can be a smart investment, especially if you're considering selling your home in the near future. According to experts, upgrading your front door is one of the best home improvements in terms of return on investment. A new, stylish door catches the eye of potential buyers and suggests that the home has been well maintained. In areas like Manassas, where the real estate market is competitive, such upgrades can make a significant difference in securing a sale. Enhanced security and energy efficiency. A new door isn't just about aesthetics. Modern doors are built with advanced security features and energy-efficient materials that can save you money in the long run. Many newer models come with enhanced locking systems and reinforced materials that provide an extra layer of protection for your home. Additionally, energy-efficient doors help keep your home comfortable year-round by providing better insulation, reducing heating and cooling costs. Customization to fit your style. One of the best aspects of replacing your door is the wide range of customization options available. Whether you prefer a bold, statement-making door or something more understated, there's a door design that can fit your taste. You can choose from a variety of materials, including steel, fiberglass, and wood, each offering different benefits in terms of durability, appearance, and maintenance requirements. Add unique details like decorative glass, side lights, or custom hardware to make your door truly stand out. A quick, impactful upgrade. While large-scale renovations can take months, replacing your door is a relatively quick and easy project that can be completed in a matter of hours. The transformation is immediate, and the impact on your home's curb appeal is striking. Whether you're upgrading your front door before a special event or making a long-term investment, you'll quickly see the positive effects on your home's exterior. Choosing the right door for your home in Manassas. When selecting a new door for your home, consider both style and function. If you live in an older home in historic Manassas, you might opt for a traditional wood door with elegant paneling. On the other hand, if you have a more modern home, a sleek steel or fiberglass door with minimalist details may better complement your aesthetic. Don't forget to factor in the climate as well. Manassas experiences all 4 seasons, and a door that offers good insulation is essential to keep your home comfortable year-round. Choose a door that matches your home's overall architectural style while providing practical benefits like energy efficiency and security. Professional installation. Key to a successful upgrade. While DIY projects can be tempting, installing a new front door requires precision and skill. Proper installation is critical to ensure the door fits perfectly, operates smoothly, and provides optimal security and energy efficiency. Hiring a professional installer ensures that the job is done right the first time, avoiding the hassle of future repairs or adjustments. Final thought. In the bustling community of Manassas, a front door replacement is a simple yet highly effective way to boost your home's curb appeal. Whether you're planning to sell or just want to refresh the look of your home, a new door adds beauty, security, and energy efficiency to your property. With so many styles and materials to choose from, it's easy to find a door that fits your home's personality and your personal preferences. If you're ready to make a bold statement with your home's exterior, a door replacement is the perfect place to start.